I'm Tibetan by Moody. Just like this, we live in a place as pure as snow, a place where you can touch the sun when you stretch out your hands. We live in the most noble posture, in a place surrounded by mountains capped with snow. The wind that finally swept across our motherland did not come out of thin air. After careful planning and preparations, carrying flu-like viruses, it lulled pastorals, our mother tongue, and even sutra volumes to sleep. I am Tibetan. I know well of the pain of standing outside the house but not daring to take a step. I am Tibetan. I know well of sadness, of being expelled from the motherland and searching for one's own hometown. I am Tibetan. I know well of the misery of not being able to meet relatives who speak the marginalized mother tongue. We are all Tibetans. There are no dreams that will last forever, no roads that leads to cliffs, no homes that cannot be found. As long as we walk hand in hand, because